Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Here is a quick update. I thought I'd just show you where we're at with the garage conversion. I've installed a TV, I've installed a heater, we've got the lights set up and installed, and I'm about to lay the carpet, and I'll just show you how you go about fitting grippers for the carpet, which is basically this. Just basically you need to nail it in next to the skirting board, but give you a good centimetre gap in between, so it means you can pull the actual carpet underneath the skirting board. And as you can see, I've gone all the way along and around the room. I'll just show you what I've done with the actual heater to actually hide the cables and make it neat and tidy. Is use those nail clips that you can hammer in to attach them to the wall, make them nice and tidy. I've done that with the TV cable as well as getting one of these convenient cable management system things that you can pop up, and obviously a TV there. And in terms of what I've done with the TV is put the cabling through there, through the cable management system on the actual mount to the TV, and obviously we've got an external aerial coming through as well. So as you can see, I think I'm getting there. It's starting to look nice. I think a matter of getting this complete is basically that carpet will be fitted. I did have a bit of a problem down here originally with the skirting board actually touching the floor, and as you can see I need a gap underneath there. So the carpet will slot underneath the skirting boards, and obviously that's where we're at the moment. It does take a lot of effort, so just don't think this is going to be you spending a solid month and you'll get it done. Believe me, you won't. I'll just show you lights. We've got these pool table lights. I got them for about £90, and a standard dimmable lighting system there. They're warm light. This is cool light for the actual pool table that we're putting in there, and we've got a dimmable light here. Obviously that will turn on the lights, as you can see, and if you can see there, we've got the pool table lights working, and that's where we're at the moment. Let me know in the comments what you think. You think I've done a good job or not? As you can see, we've got power outlets, double ones there and one over there, and here I've got a special USB one, so we'll be able to charge our phones up through USB. And that's where we're at the moment. I've done more or less the roof. I'll just show you one thing that you might not have seen, which is these LED columned lights, which are not expensive. They are really cheap to get hold of. They only cost about a tenner each, and that's where we're at the moment. So I'll show you the finished article with the carpet down, and that'll be it.